Good day. In this video, we are going to test your skills on rounding of whole numbers. Like any other lessons, IVFC prepared different levels of mastery. Watch out for the next higher level. Bring out a piece of paper, label them 1 to 25 where you will write your answers. Always take note of your score. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Number 1. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 2. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 3. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 4. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 5. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 6. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 7. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 8. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 9. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 10. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 11. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 12. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 13. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 14. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 15. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 16. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 17. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 18. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 19. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 20. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 21. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 22. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 23. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 24. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Number 25. Round this number off to the nearest tens. Congratulations! This ends our session for today. Kindly write your score on top of your answer sheet. See you on the next level. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.